Bine ai venit în România.
I think that means welcome to Romania. Ah! Oh, he's in there. How can you see? I can't see anything. He's got very good eyes. Heated discussions on board the Kahana this morning. Sun is finally showing itself, but there's still a lot of mist around. Really nice red colour. They're pretty much all opened now. So Daniel has just given me this mate, and he. How did you say you prepared it?
I mix in the water. I mix lemon juice with essential oils from mint and orange. And
What kind of shot is it?
On this shot.
Okay. This must be my fourth shot this morning. Fourth shot, and it's not even 7 o'clock. I've had 4 of these plus a beer in Vama Veche. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Looks very relaxed, pampered. Yes, that's so beautiful. Oh, wow, wow. Okay, wow. Oh, whoa. Very good, very good.
porno.
This is
Porno.
it is tomato. Yeah. So this is lunch on Friday. Norok. Norok. What was it like? It's too. Poate bine?
Da.
Da?
Tu ceapa,
Ah, you didn't used to sell these in your bar, did you? Oh look. Yeah, this is video, so yeah. Erling Haaland celebration. Be humble.
Yes. I'm the only Nazi.
4 now 5. So Narok. Go. This is how the Kahana is nowadays brought ashore. We've got this pathway which zigzags up the beach, and the creator is here, the great Catalin. And so this is Catalin. This is the guy who has created this. We have the swans of Vama Veche.
Liviu, încă o dată.
There is the sun. Dr. Debama is dancing reggae now. hard work. Vama tradition. Lighting lanterns and hopefully they'll float up. One bubble gum and one blowjob, and I'm not quite sure which is which here. I think this is probably the bubble gum, and that's probably the blowjob. Now 20 minutes past 8 in the morning and the mist is still here.
Știu că fără ea nu pot respira. Casa e pustie fără ea.
Humble home here in Vama Veche. Somebody called it a hobbit house. Say anything else? Say hello to friends and family.
Hi, friends and family. I've never done this, so it's a bit. I need to practice more to be confident in front of the camera.
My chair has just collapsed. And I have one. Oh no, my gunslinger. My gunslinger's also broken. It's running. But there's no music. There's no music.
This is the like this, you know, monsieur.
This is your Nikon man. Okay, the next dance. I have been promised the next dance. I now have coffee. I have chukash there. And I have Captain Morgan. So I am walking from Vama Veche to which is in Romania, into Bulgaria, which is just down there. It's almost sunset, as you can see. Saying goodbye to Bulgaria. Going back over to Romania. Breaking news is that I was stopped. I was stopped by the Romanian border police who wanted me to show them. It's just as well I had ID with me. You know, passport, so I was able to give them my passport and they checked it. I was there for about almost 10 minutes whilst they checked my passport. So again, lesson is when Romanians tell you, you know, you can just go, you don't need anything to, you don't need to show anything at the border. Just take some form of ID, official ID, whether it's a driving license, whether it's a passport, better, you know, obviously passport is the gold standard, because you may be stopped. They're doing zakuska, which is eggplant, eggplant, tomatoes, what else? Onions. So I've just finished some zakuska with some chukbe and also some palinka with some bread. Yes, chuk. The
potato bread.
So anyway, I'm full now. It's a very nice meal done by the great Edith, who is like dishing her stuff up now into jars. This has proved a bit too much for this person. This is a spectacular sunrise here. You can't see anything. You cannot see anything for this mist. Sky, look. Wow. watching back. Wow. No who, but wow. There's a lot of mist out there. This is an amazing sky above Vama. Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
Hi.
I was just about to say, 3 bears for 2025, for the remainder of 2025, if you did it. Oh, gosh. Okay, he will not be going to the Olympics.
No.
That's it. That's the best you can do.
I can do better, but I need a bigger rope.
Come on. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. I'm going to get the sunrise here. This is so nice. This is exercise. Every husband, his wife, this kind of exercise. So the conversation as they paddle up towards Dewey May. Can't believe that's a swan. I mean, it looks like a swan.
Que tal vez mañana yo estaré lejos, muy lejos de aquí. La última vez, ay, pero bésame, verte después.
Beautiful. Sea is so very calm this morning. That is very unusual. It's an absolutely gorgeous morning here in Vama Veche. I don't think you will ever find the Black Sea quieter than it is today. For whatever reason, it is quiet. And other times when I've been here, it has been raging with big waves crashing on the beach. But today, you know, you could bathe your baby in here. It's like a bathtub. The sea has changed as expected. It is extremely windy. This is the place that people are coming to watch the sunrise because the waves are breaking. So much look at that. Oh boy, these people behind this beach, they could get washed away today because that last wave has reached their sandbag. Look at what they've created. They've created a channel for the water to pass down. Look, sandbags. They've got this channel in order to try to keep water away from them, but really, I think it's so raging this morning that I think it will come up. I think it will come up. Yeah. So very quiet that, and still, that has become clear. You can see through it down to the bottom.
Triciul șarpelui și mersul gândacului mai.
It's amazing. Birds having these cormorants. You see them waiting for the sunrise.
Efectuează o întoarcere U pe strada falezei.
Canoeing. It's very nice day to be doing that. Very calm water. Hello. Hope the dolphin comes up. Ah! Wow, it's very close to shore now. Wow, yeah, I saw it. Ah, yes. These are new houses built in the last few years. Now walking along the cliffs. The cliffs, you can see people bring their caravans and camp here for days, weeks, perhaps even for the whole season. And the same people tend to come back year after year, go to the same places, so there's a sense of community here. It's 6:30 now in the morning, and here in Vama Veche, you've got a couple of ladies cleaning the front of their house. One was there, and the other was over there. She's gone up. Good morning, dog. A perfect day, cloudless, here in Vama Veche, here in Romania. Look at that. Oh. So, I'm such a good waiter that I provided, Southern Comfort Black. Excellent chef, limes and lemons, plus we've got bread.
Caricias prohibidas, tratas de recorrer montes y colinas y enciende tu cuerpo y casi sin ganas recorre tu
What is the bear called? For the purposes of this video. It is called Chukash.
From Brasov.
Who's next? We're all waiting now. This is the expert. It's a thumbs up. Very good. Very nice.